Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to jumpstart your Lexus CT200H. Before you begin, always prioritize safety. Make sure both the dead vehicle and the assisting vehicle are completely turned off. You'll need to locate the positive jumpstart terminal, which is typically found under the hood in the fuse box area, even though the 12-volt battery is in the trunk. Now, let's connect the positive cables. Take one end of the red positive jumper cable and securely attach it to the positive jumpstart terminal on your Lexus CT200H. Then, connect the other end of the red positive cable to the positive terminal of the assisting vehicle's 12-volt battery. Double-check that both connections are firm. Next, we'll connect the negative cables. Attach one end of the black negative jumper cable to the negative terminal of the assisting vehicle's battery. For the other end, find a clean, unpainted metal surface on the engine block or chassis of your Lexus CT200H to use as a ground point. Do not connect it directly to the dead battery's negative terminal. Once all cables are connected, start the assisting vehicle and let it run for about 5 to 10 minutes to charge your Lexus's 12-volt battery. Then, try to start your CT200H. If it starts, disconnect the cables in the reverse order. First the negative from the Lexus, then the negative from the assisting car, followed by the positive cables.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.